Leo, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I have a problem with math.
Math? Which part?
I don't understand. This part.
It's about equations?
Yes, simple equations.
Don't worry. They are easy.
Really? I feel confused.
Let's look at one together.
Okay, thank you.
First, move the number here.
Like this?
Yes, that's correct.
Oh. Now I get it.
See? You're good at math.
Thank you for helping me. Can we study together again?
Sure. After school tomorrow.
Oh my God, it's freezing today.
Yes, it's extremely cold.
My face hurts from the cold.
The wind is so strong.
I can't feel my fingers.
Did you wear gloves?
Yes, but they're too thin.
Look at the street. It's icy.
Be careful. Don't slip.
I'm walking very slowly.
It's below 0 today.
Yes, the weather report said that.
Let's get a hot drink.
I really need that.
Winter is harsh this year.
Yes, but warm places help.
My nose is completely frozen.
Mine too. I can barely breathe.
I miss warm sunny days.
Me too. Winter is too long.
Let's hurry before it gets colder.
Yes, I can't wait to warm up.
Hi, can you take me to the city center?
Yes, sure. Please get in.
Thank you.
Do you want to go now?
Yes, please.
All right.
How much is the fare?
It's about $12.
Okay, that's fine.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay in cash.
No problem.
Cash is okay, right?
Yes, cash is fine.
Great.
We're almost there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here we are.
Here is $12.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, I have a package for you.
Yes, that's mine.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let me check it.
Okay.
Everything looks good.
Great.
Please sign here.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here is your package.
Thanks a lot.
The package is a little heavy.
That's okay.
Please be careful.
I will. Thank you for bringing it.
My pleasure.
Have a nice day.
Welcome to our flower shop.
Thank you.
How can I help you?
I want to buy some flowers.
Sure. For a special occasion?
Yes, for a birthday.
Nice. Do you like roses or tulips?
I like roses.
Red or pink roses?
Pink roses, please.
How many flowers do you want?
6 flowers, please.
Would you like them in a bouquet?
Yes, please.
Do you want a ribbon?
Yes, a white ribbon.
Great choice.
How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Are you ready to warm up?
Yes, I don't want to get hurt.
Warming up is very important.
I know. I always start with stretching.
Let's stretch our arms first.
Okay, like this?
Yes, and lift your arms up.
My shoulders feel tight.
Roll your shoulders slowly.
That feels better.
Now let's stretch our legs.
I need this after sitting all day.
Don't rush. Go slowly.
How long do you warm up?
About 10 minutes.
That sounds good. Are you ready to start training?
Yes, my body feels ready.
Great, let's begin.
Let's go! Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hi, Emma. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Leo.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old. How about you?
I'm 26.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany. And you?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
That's nice. What do you study?
I study English.
Great. Do you like English?
Yes, I really like it.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and listening to music.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Me too.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
This calf is really nice.
Yes, I'm happy to be here with you.
Hello, please help me.
What is your emergency?
There is a fire in my house.
Stay calm, please. What is your address?
It's 25 Green Street.
Which room is on fire?
The kitchen is on fire.
Is anyone inside the house?
No, I'm outside now.
That's good. Stay outside. Do you see a lot of smoke?
Yes, there is a lot of smoke. Please come quickly.
We will be there soon.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do not go back inside.
Okay, I will wait outside.
Hi, excuse me?
Hi!
You're in my class, right?
Yes, we have the same class.
I missed the last lesson.
Oh, really?
Yes, I was sick. Do you have the notes?
Yes, I wrote everything.
Can I borrow your notes?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much.
When do you need them?
Just for today, if that's okay.
That's fine.
I'll return them tomorrow.
Please be careful with them.
Of course, I will.
Good luck with your studying.
Thanks again. You're very kind.
Oh no. I can't find my phone.
Are you sure? Check your bag again.
I did. It's not there.
When was the last time you used it?
Just a few minutes ago, near the bench.
Okay, don't panic. Let's go back.
I'm really worried.
Relax. We'll find it.
What if someone took it?
Stay positive. Let's look carefully.
Wait. Is that my phone?
Yes. It's under the bench.
Oh my God, thank you.
See? No problem.
I should be more careful.
Everyone loses things sometimes.
I was really scared.
But you're safe now.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.